Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. This is the worksheet number 8 from unit number 1, food, lesson number 2, nutrition in animals. Part A is match the correct answer. After solving the previous worksheet, you can easily solve this also. You have to match the correct answer. Salivary glands, what are the function of salivary glands? For example, saliva secretion, and in the same way you have to match all these answers. And then part B is make summary of digestive process. So you have to make the summary of the digestive process starting from ingestion to digestion, then absorption, assimilation, and egestion. There are 5 steps and 5 blocks are drawn. You have to write the name of every step and give a brief explanation of that step. Thank you.